In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in OneNote. This feature is a great way to organize your tasks and keep track of what you need to do. So let's get started. First, you will want to open OneNote. When you do this, the application will launch, displaying your recent notebooks and pages. You might see a familiar interface with sections on the left and your pages in the main area. It's important to ensure you are in the correct version of OneNote, as options can differ slightly between the desktop and online versions. If you have multiple notebooks, this step is crucial because it sets the stage for where your checkbox will be added. Next, open the page where you want to add a checkbox. This could be a new page or an existing one that contains a list of tasks. You can navigate through your sections quickly to find the right page. Once you have selected the page, it will display all the content you've previously added. This is the space where your checkbox will help you manage tasks effectively, helping you stay organized and on track. Now place your cursor where you want the checkbox, or select the text you want to turn into a task. If you want to add a checkbox next to some existing text, simply highlight that line. If you're starting fresh, click in the empty area on the page. This action is important as it determines where your checkbox will appear. You'll see a blinking cursor indicating that you are ready to type. This is a small step, but it sets up the perfect spot for your task management. From there, go to the Home tab. The Home tab is located at the top of the OneNote window, and it houses many of the tools you'll frequently use. Once you click on the Home tab, you will see various options that help with text formatting and organization. This tab is crucial for accessing the checkbox feature. You'll be glad to know that it simplifies your task management process, bringing everything you need to one accessible place. Next, in the Tags group, click To Do, which is the checkbox icon. When you click on this icon, a checkbox will appear at the cursor's location. You will notice the checkbox appears instantly, and this action signifies that you're ready to input a task. This is an essential step because it actively creates a way to track your tasks visually. The checkbox will serve as a reminder of what needs to be completed. Now, type your task next to the checkbox. This is where you can enter whatever you need to accomplish, such as finish report or buy groceries. As you type, the text will align with the checkbox, creating a neat and organized appearance. This step is important because it connects your tasks with a visual marker, making it easier to manage what you need to do at a glance. Finally, press Enter to automatically create another checkbox for the next item. When you do this, you will notice a new checkbox appears right below the previous one, ready for your next task. This feature saves you a lot of time as it allows you to create a list of tasks quickly and efficiently. You can continue adding as many checkboxes as you need, making your task list comprehensive. As a shortcut, remember that you can press Ctrl and 1 to quickly add or remove a to-do checkbox from the selected line. This shortcut enhances your workflow, allowing for quick adjustments without navigating through menus. To mark a task as complete, simply click the checkbox. You will see a check mark appear inside the checkbox, indicating that the task is done. This simple action provides a sense of accomplishment and helps you keep track of your progress. To view all your to-do items across your notebook, go to the Home tab and click Find Tags. This feature compiles all your tasks in one view, making it easier to manage your workload effectively. With these steps, you are now well equipped to add checkboxes in OneNote and organize your tasks efficiently.